Good day, sir. We are the group one that will present the chapter 3 to 5, our capstone project. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Alan Luis Arces, together with Tabelada Pearl, Tagular Cedric James, Alan Jerome Christian, Arquilio Cassandra. So the chapter is the SOP, the standard operation procedure. The first procedure is the opening procedure. It includes the check the inventory, prepare the kitchen and dining, set up the equipment. The next one is service procedure, greet customer, take order, prepare food, and serve the food, handle the customer. The next one is the payment and the billing. Accept payment, online banking such as Maya, GCash, then close out the register and issue the receipt. Next one is the customer service. Address, complaint, build rapport, communication incident, and issue. Next one is the closing procedure. Clean and sanitize the place. Close out the operation, secure the premises. The next one is the quality control. Monitor the food quality, conduct the inspection, and gather customer. The chapter 4 is the SOP, the statement of the problem.
Good day, sir. I'm Arquilio Cassandra, and today I would like to discuss the customer's perspectives. According to the customer, it was very time consuming to wait for their order and food refill, as well as that the personnel who assisted them did not always meet their expectations through. Number two, according to the customer, the meal they received was not fresh and new. Number three, according to the customer, it has been stated that the leather of the sofa is already damaged and makes it uncomfortable to sit to.
Good day, Sir. Aguilar speaking, and I will be presenting the employee's perspective of the establishment's service delivery system failures. First, the head of the staff said that one of the issues they have is managing how the customer stays and dines still because some customer complains that they have to get the free unlimited chicken wings even though their children is above 4 feet because based on the management policy they have. Children that are taller than 4 feet must pay the standard price for unlimited chicken wings. But if the child is shorter than 4 feet, they can have the free unlimited chicken wings. Another issue they have is with the diner's delivery system. Especially, they have to manually schedule the delivery ways because they lack a delivery system of their own and the food delivery service like Grab or Food Panda application. Lastly, in the food delivery, customers sometimes complain that management forgot to leave certain utensils behind after the delivery. The management acknowledged it and apologized to the customers. Next reporter.
Good day, everyone. Abelada speaking. Management perspective of establishment service delivery system failures. Number one of the most common issue that managers encounter is maintaining consistency in food quality. Number two, another issue that management encounter is how to maintain the quality of their food over other competitors. Lastly, the issue they encounter is the lack of chicken supplier. Manager told us last December they ordered grade B chicken, which is a little bit early, and they received customer complaints. Because of that, they have to do another ways to remove the hairs of the grade B chicken that they ordered. Next reporter.
Aguilar speaking again. I will be presenting now the researchers' observation. In our observation as researchers, there are some flies or insects inside the establishment. Another issue we observed is the insufficient dining space, although they told us they are actively working to expand it to accommodate more diners. And lastly, during our dining experience, we noticed blood inside the chicken being served, indicating that the chicken was undercooked, which is concerning for the food safety hazard. Next reporter, please.
Greetings, I am Jerome Christian Allen and I'll be tackling the fishbone diagram, starting with customer, complaining slow service. Having that, we have management, no proper communication, lack supervision with people, short staff, lack of training, with equipment, outdated tools, defective machines. Environment could be small place and full house. Next slide. Food served not fresh, machines, handling refrigeration equipment with people, lack of knowledge in handling food, and having improper hygiene. Materials, not quality products, can source suppliers of fresh produce. Environment could be seasonal and weather changes fluctuations. Next. For ambience, having major categories including environment, temperature, untidy place, facilities, damaged furniture, and lack of amenities. Management could have lack of attention to detail, not addressing complaints. Customers experience having poor quality service, lack of staff, and customers relations. Next. Or food toll-free meal policy, including policy, unclear guidelines, confusion about certain criteria, with manpower, no proper training, lack knowledge with the policy, communication, lack of information posted, miscommunication when availing. Customers' expectation could be a misunderstanding on the policy and entitlement. Next. Lack of good delivery system, including process, poor order fulfillment, not standard delivery procedure. Manpower could have inexperienced crew or they could be short staffed. Technology could be outdated system, not partnering with delivery platform. Management having poor communication and lack of contingency plans. Next. Forgetting to pack utensils, process, not having a checklist, not verifying order. Manpower lacks training and error in packing. Communication, miscommunication about certain requests, and lack of supervising. Quality control could be failure to double check packed utensils, failing to have measure to prevent errors. Next. Consistency in food quality, material or ingredients, the quality of ingredients or and lack of supplies. Manpower could have lack of training, no experience in quality service. External factors could be seasonal ingredients, poor supply, and supplier issue. Quality control, failing to conduct quality check and not addressing feedback. Next. Competing with competitors' quality food, process inconsistent with cooking method, not following recipes, manpower, lacks training, lacks of knowledge about other competitors, quality control, no regular checking of food preparation, failing to create improvement, and lastly, customers' feedback, failing to address feedback, no effort to improve. Next. Quality of ingredients includes ingredients, materials, and availability of supplier, failure to access premium sources. Storage could be wrong handling of ingredients, no proper equipment for storing, cost increased price of raw materials, budget constraint, quality control, failure to check incoming sources, and failing to have measure to prevent errors. Next. Flies and insects inside the stores, environment, trash bin near the area, untidy place, manpower, failing to recognize and make a report, not having the proper training in pest control, maintenance, failing to contain cleanliness, damage, screen or door, pest control, no implementation and not monitored. Next. Limited space, could be a layout, too many decor, space not being utilized, resource allocation, maximize seat capacity or not maximize seat capacity or and using space saving furniture and fixtures. Customers experience too crowded and waiting in line. Operation limited flow slows down operation. Next. And lastly, undercooked chicken, process time and temperature, failing to monitor, manpower, lacks knowledge and cooking techniques, failing to check doneness with equipment, unreliable tools, not maintained machines, and improper food safety measures, improper storage and towing, not following regulations. And that would be all. Thank you.